In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make table header rows repeat across pages in Microsoft Word. This is a simple way to keep your table easy to read when it spans multiple pages, because the headers will appear automatically at the top of each page. Start by selecting the header row or rows of your table. If your header has more than one row, make sure you include all of them. An easy way to select a full row is to move your mouse to the left edge of the row until the arrow appears, then click to highlight it. Drag down if you need to include additional header rows. Avoid selecting just individual cells. Word needs to know you mean the whole row. With your header rows selected, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools at the top of the window. This tab appears only when your cursor is inside a table. In the Layout tab, find and click Repeat Header Rows. If that option looks grayed out, double-check that you really selected the top rows of the table and not a mix of header and body rows. Next, let's confirm the setting through the properties, which can help avoid inconsistent behavior. Right-click anywhere in the table and choose Table Properties. In the dialog that opens, go to the Row tab. You should see an option that says Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Make sure it's checked. This tells Word to automatically place those selected rows at the top whenever the table continues onto another page. While you're on the Row tab, look for Allow Row to Break Across Pages and make sure it's unchecked. This prevents a single row from splitting between pages, which keeps your table cleaner and helps the headers align consistently with the data beneath them. Apply this setting to your header rows. You can also use it for important data rows to keep them intact. Finally, test your setup. Add enough rows to the table so it flows onto a second page and beyond. As the table grows, switch to Print Layout View or use Print Preview to verify the result. You should see your selected header rows automatically repeating at the top of each page without needing to copy and paste anything. That's it. Select your header rows, turn on Repeat Header Rows from the Layout tab, confirm it in Table Properties, disable row breaks for consistency, and then test by extending the table. With these steps, your multi-page tables will be much easier to read and present.